Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Okay, to replace the rear wiper blade, what we're going to do is grab the arm and the blade. We're going to twist it up, take the blade itself, and you're going to twist it like that, and it's going to pull right out. To install a new blade, we're going to hold it. You're going to slide the arm into this slot right here, just like that. Push it into the slot there, and then twist it down, just like that. And then push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.